Hello, my name is Jasmine James. I am part of the planning team for the remote sensing final project. On this team, I worked on creating a tool that computed storm surges for forecasted hurricanes based on their size and path.
Hi, I'm Evelyn and I'm part of the planning team for their hurricane simulation. What I've been working on is I've been creating maps, combining wind speed, hurricane path, and different aspects of the affected area like shelter sites and also where flooding is to create a better visual of how the hurricane will impact those in the area. And I've also been working on how to implement the model of how deep the flooding is so that we can figure out which areas will be impacted more and less and which areas to focus aid on.
Hello, my name is Alexander Hutchinson, and I'm part of BWSI's Remote Sensing's planning team. And what I've been doing is working out what areas of Massachusetts need to be evacuated. For example, evacuation zones A, B, and C during the Storm Surge project.
Hello, my name is Anushka Arora. I am on the planning team for the final project. For what I've contributed so far, I helped come up with this initial digital elevation model, which we later as a team turned into this depth map to detect flooding.
Hi, I'm Shruti Roy from the planning team of the BWSI Remote Sensing Hurricane Simulation. Our job is to anticipate flooding from storm surges based on the hurricane's projected track and combine this model with population and social vulnerability data to map out evacuation zones. I work on combining different formats of geographical data so that we can easily access and evaluate multiple variables in conjunction.
Hello, my name is Michael Chang, and I'm part of the planning team. Here, I made a function determining the water level in order to see the storm surge for 3 meters and 6 meters. This is a function where we plug in a value from 3 to 6, and we will get the depth map of the designated area. As you can see, 3 versus 6, there's a lot more water in 6 versus in 3. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shreya and I'm part of the planning team for the hurricane simulation response. I have been working on helping my team create an elevation model of the part of Massachusetts we are working with, and using this model to create a depth map of various projections based on the level of storm surge. I have also worked on plotting various features such as shelters, hurricane wind speeds, and the hurricane track to better understand where to evacuate people and how many shelters are needed. Using these graphs, I've worked on trying to identify evacuation zones.